Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Adobe Enhance Speech when it won't load. So first up, if you're trying to access, let's say this website right here, which is podcast.adobe.com/enhance, and for some reason it won't load, it's just a white screen or just an endless loop of loading, then you're probably encountering this error, and it's actually not browser related. So what you can do to remedy this issue is to just head to your taskbar and search for Windows Defender Firewall right over here. And then from here, just look for the Restore Defaults option. This is only accessible for admin, so do take note of that. Then if you click on it, it'll open a new window, and then just click Restore Defaults, select Yes, and you should be able to access your Adobe Enhance Speech seamlessly. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.